to our channel. My name is Evelyn, and today I'm showing you how to assemble our open center backdrop stand. Let's get started. The parts come numbered from 1 through 11 for a quick and easy assembly. Some of the parts also come pre-assembled with elastic cord. To start, I'm extending the snap fit tubes. Next, I'm connecting the L-shaped piece with the number 1 on it to the corresponding tube. Now I'm adding the gray connecting piece labeled 2 to the other side of the L-shaped piece. I'm repeating the same steps for parts 8 through 11, then extending the curved piece labeled 1 and 8 and connecting it to the extended tubes with the corresponding numbers. Next, we're making the inner frame by extending the second curved piece and connecting it to the other 2 extended tubes. I'm adding the remaining connecting pieces to the smaller tubes, then adding the smaller frame to the bases. Now I'm placing the larger frame on the outside of the smaller frame and using the screws provided to secure them to one another. Lastly, I'm adding the 2 smaller tubes to the inner sides of the frame to complete this versatile open center arch backdrop frame stand. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you stop our social media pages for more about inspiration and subscribe to see our latest video. Thank you again and see you next time.